Welcome to Digital Income Strategies. Here I reveal all the strategies that you can use to create and multiply your income from digital sources. Let's become millionaires together. Today we will be creating an alphabet tracing book for kids to sell on Amazon KDP. Additionally, we will be able to sell a digital version of this book on Etsy. Let's head over to Amazon and we're going to look for a tracing book for kids age 3 to 5. And I'm quickly going to go over and look at that 84,000 books sold. So it clearly shows that there's a lot of people buying this. So 25,000, 28,000 reviews. Actually, this is just reviews. These are not books sold. So imagine how many books would have been sold already to get those kind of reviews. Okay, heading over to our KDP calculator. Let's see how much it's going to make us. So it's going to be black and white interior with white paper. Size is going to be 8.5 with by 11 inches. We're going to do about 28 pages, and list price would be, I'd say, $6.99. That seemed like an average price there. Okay, so that leaves us with $1.35 in our pocket per sale. I'm quickly gonna see what that comes to now. So 1.35 times, say if we sell 30 per day, because clearly there's a lot of demand for 30 days. And we do 4 variations of it. So it would be uppercase, lowercase, numbers, things like that. So that comes to $4,800 per month passively in our pocket. So it seems like a good investment time-wise. So we'll go ahead and check out Etsy as well. So Etsy is selling digital download versions of the same thing, ranging anywhere between just over $1 to $5.50 to $7. Okay, so let's see what the fees and payments for Etsy is, because it is chargeable. Now Etsy did have a setup fee, one-time setup fee. I don't see that here. It used to be $15 USD, so I'm not sure what they have it now. Other than that, they have 20 cents per item, and 6.5% per sale would be their commission. Just looking for that setup fee again. Okay, I don't see it. Let's go ahead and calculate how much this would actually give us. Okay, I'm quickly gonna calculate. So we're just using the previous calculation, and here we're gonna list it for say $250, and I'm gonna subtract about 99 cents for all of Etsy's fees from here, keeping everything else the same. So 30 books for 30 days, 4 variations gives us $5,436. I would be pretty happy with that. Okay, heading over to Canva. We're gonna go ahead and create a design, and we're gonna select book and portrait. So it has to be the specific one for it to be 8.5 by 11 inches. And we're gonna search for letter tracing worksheet. Okay, I like this one. Okay, it has 1 letter per page, apply all 28 pages. So it's basically going to create the pages for us, and we really have to do nothing except customize it according to the way we want. We want to make sure it looks appealing, it stands out. So I'm quickly going to go ahead, change the color. Okay, I like that. And this needs to be blue. This looks nice. I'm gonna change the title here, so we're gonna make it my instead of booklet, it's gonna be tracing book, and just adjusting the size here just so it's in one line. There, that looks much better. I'm gonna move this ABC onto the side because I would like to write my alphabet tracing book here. So just going ahead and writing that, and I do want to change the font of the word alphabet. Okay, this looks nice, and just changing the color as well. Let's do pink. Okay, this matches the border, and just go ahead and increase the size here so that stands out. For this ABC, I'm just gonna change the location of it and the orientation. Okay, maybe down here it looks much better, and I'm gonna move the title up. Okay, and tracing alphabet letters, let's change that. We're gonna change that to 1 page per letter because that's what's inside. So anyone looking at the cover would know what's inside there. And I'm also gonna go ahead and delete birthday because that seems unnecessary. Let's go ahead and see what other elements we can add. Actually, I'm trying to change the color of A to match the border and the word alphabet on there. Okay, looks decent. Maybe I'm just gonna copy the border here and put it on the other one. Adjusting it just slightly. Let's see. Okay, just adding it here to see if that looks better. Yep, looks better. Do I need to change this? Trace me? No, I think that looks good. Okay, so we have all of our letters over here. They're good. And we just need to focus on the cover page basically because that's what's gonna sell this book. So I'm just looking for more elements. Alphabets here. Or let's see, letters. Yeah, these are nice. So let's get rid of the ones that we had before. And I'm gonna go ahead and add this. No, this doesn't look that nice. Okay, how about this one? Yeah, this looks really nice. Matches our color theme too. I just need one more element on here. So maybe let's see what else looks good here. Oh, this would look nice. Maybe let's put it up here to balance the whole cover. Okay, actually, let's put a ribbon up there instead of putting this. Let's look for a ribbon. So the ribbon would say what age group this book would be for. So just a suggestive age group. I know it's pretty obvious, but just another little piece of information in case somebody's buying this as a gift for somebody else's kids. So that kind of helps. So adding a heading for ages 3 to 5. And just putting that there inside the ribbon and adjusting the location. Okay, and quickly change the font here. Oh, need to select all of that. Okay, and okay, this is nice. This font is great, just decreasing the size a little bit. Okay, and then I'm just gonna move this on top of these letter cubes. Okay, that looks really nice according to me. So I'm going to go ahead, download it, and make sure you download the print version, print PDF, just because it's going to be printed through KDP, or if someone buys it from Etsy. And that's it. Thanks for joining me on this journey to becoming a millionaire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building passive digital income streams through creative entrepreneurship. Until next time, happy earning!